It's your boy King Smitty. I'm back, and I got something that I'm a little long-term bullish on. In the short term, not so bullish, maybe a little bit bearish on it. But it's all good because we're here to make money in the long run, build financial wealth. But before we get started, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button for your boys. Show some love. And if you like what I'm talking about in this video, go ahead and share it with somebody so they can get a little bit of knowledge, a little insight on what I got to say and whatnot. But let's go ahead and get started. Today, I want to talk about Virgin Galactic. This is space tourism. We're going to space. And let's just look at this chart really fast. So as you can see, the stock today is roughly around $19.40, $19.30. It's going down negative 4.24% as of right now. But you can see that this stock can hit $55. It recently high is like the high is like $60, roughly around there. But let's see what it has to say. This is from the company's website itself. Virgin Galactic is expected to start a private astronaut commercial service on track for Q4 2022. So originally, it was supposed to be this year, Q4, and they announced somewhere around August 21st, around here, that they're going to delay it until next year, right? And then that's when the stock started to drop after the full flight crew. In July, it spiked to 55 because they had its first full flight crew. And then, buy the rumor, you sell the news. It's common in stocks. So the people started selling the news once it happened. And then once they announced that they're going to delay it, then the stock continued to drop a little bit more, right? The company announced a target of 1,000 reservations prior to the launch of private astronaut commercial services. Approximately 700 of these 1,000 have been sold to date. Current pricing of $450,000 per seat has been well received. So let's look at this. There's 700 reservations already made. Originally, the price was $250,000. Matter of fact, let me put quotation marks around this. It was $250,000 times 600, because they sold 600 tickets at roughly $250,000. And then they upped the price to $450,000, and they sold 100 of those tickets. 100 of those tickets. So right now, just predicting in advance, they have $195 million of revenue just waiting to come to this company. They haven't received it yet. This company is still in pre-revenue, but they have this already reserved to make $195 million. And the reservations aren't even booked yet. They aren't even full to the 4,000 yet. This program, they announced on October 14, 2021, the beginning of a planned vehicle enhancement period. This program will increase vehicle service, life, and flight rate capability in preparation of commercial services. So that's another reason why they delayed the commercial flights until to Q4 2022, is because they're trying to fly out 3 times a month at full capacity, rather than doing it once, waiting a month and a half, and then doing it another time. They're trying to go 3 times a month, which is a high order. That's a lot to be going out of space with. And if you haven't checked out the inside of their cabin, it's beautiful. It's designed by Under Armour. It looks wonderful. And right now, there's only 2 companies that's actually going to space for commercial uses, and that's Blue Origin, which is Jeff Bezos, boom, and it's Sir Richard Branson, which is Virgin Galactic. Elon Musk right now isn't doing commercial flights. He's more focused on trying to get to Mars. That's his big thing in space. And he's doing some stuff with NASA. as of the moment. But let's look at this. What it has to say. According to astronomy.com report, Orbital Assembly Corporation, ticker symbol OAC, is seeking to open a Voyager station and intergalactic luxury resort by 2027. So if you want to go into there, this would be the time probably jumping in there. I haven't looked at their stock yet, but I'm sure this would be the time to jump on board with them, because that's in 2027. It's only 2021 right now. So you can get in probably on the ground floor, and if you don't mind waiting, they say the stock market is transferring funds from the inpatient to the patient. So if you have that much patience, go ahead and get it. This Voyager station is supposed to accommodate 280 guests and 112 crew members. Will feature a restaurant, a bar, a concert hall, a gym, and a cinema. I wonder if they're going to have Soulja Boy perform out there so he could be the first rap artist to perform in space. That'd be crazy. But back to this. The Voyager station is being designed on a rotating wheel concept. Kind of like if you've seen the movie Xenon, the Disney movie, late 90s, early 2000s. Kind of like that concept in a sense. And so let's look at this. I have me a limit order as of right now. Roughly right, let's see if I can get it right this time. Right there. Roughly around $18.50, $18.76. Oops, I'm sorry. So right there. And I have another order. Let me back this up. So the first one, right there. And the second one is going to be placed right here. Roughly around $15. What happened? Roughly around $15. So boom, boom. $15, maybe 10 cents, 20 cents. I'm not trying to guess the bottom per se, but as much as getting as low as I can and wait for the shoot up back to $55. Because once those commercial flights start going, revenue starts coming in, people start jumping on the bandwagon, this stock is going to take off like you've never seen before. And once the consistent flights come out, consistent revenue come out, this stock might not see $19 again, $15 again, unless a tragic accident happened, which we're praying that it doesn't happen. But this is my thoughts on Virgin Galactic Holdings right now. I know they have another flight, another spaceship, because this one is called Unity. The one they have right now only sits like the 6 to 8 people at the time, but they have another one. I think it's called Density or something of the sort, and that's supposed to carry a bulk of their passengers. But that's just what I have right now. You can see the stock is going on the look. It's trending towards the oversold territory. So once it hits oversold, which is down there, that's probably when I'll try to load up the most, because it'll definitely swing back up from there. But let me know what you think about Virgin Galactic, what you think about space tourism. Would you be interested if you had the money to go up into space? And maybe if they have some good responses, maybe they'll lower the prices in the future. But that's what I have. Thank y'all for rocking with me. Go ahead and like and subscribe and follow your boy. Yes, sir.